Did you know that over 4.8 million entrepreneurs are now building stores on Shopify, and many are turning them into full-time incomes? Dropshipping has opened doors for anyone with Wi-Fi and ambition to start a business without holding any inventory. But here's the catch. Most beginners fail before they make their first sale. Have you ever dreamed of breaking free from the daily grind, of building something that's truly your own? A business that generates income even while you sleep? Whether you're looking to escape your 9-to-5, earn passive income, or build a scalable e-commerce brand, you are in the right place. The world of e-commerce can seem intimidating, but there's a business model that has leveled the playing field for aspiring entrepreneurs. Dropshipping. It's a revolutionary way to run an online store without ever handling inventory yourself. This means significantly lower startup costs, less financial risk, and the freedom to run your business from anywhere in the world with just a laptop. I know what you might be thinking. This sounds complicated, or I don't have technical skills. I'm here to tell you that you don't need any of that. In this video, you'll learn how to create a Shopify dropshipping store from scratch, step by step. I've designed this guide to be clear, comprehensive, and perfect for complete beginners. We'll walk through everything. We'll start with the most critical decision: picking a profitable niche you're genuinely excited about. From there, we'll dive into Shopify and build a beautiful, professional-looking store that builds trust with customers. We'll cover the secret to long-term success: finding and integrating reliable suppliers who ship products directly to your customers. And of course, we'll explore the engine of your business: marketing strategies to attract your first customers, and how to automate your operations for sustainable growth. By the end of this video, you won't just have a store, you'll have a complete blueprint for building a successful online business. My goal is to give you the knowledge and confidence to turn your dream into a reality. So grab a notebook and let's build your future together. Welcome to the most critical first step on your Shopify journey: choosing a profitable niche. Think of this as laying the foundation for your entire business empire. Get this right, and everything else becomes easier. Get it wrong, and you'll be fighting an uphill battle from day one. So many aspiring entrepreneurs fall into the trap of chasing fleeting trends, those shiny objects that are popular today but gone tomorrow. But sustainable success isn't about chasing random products. It's about finding a specific group of people and solving a real persistent problem for them. Your goal is to become their go-to solution. To find this perfect fit, we're going to use a simple but powerful framework. Your ideal niche lies at the intersection of three key elements: passion, profitability, and demand. Let's break down each one, because mastering this balance is the secret sauce to long-term e-commerce success. First, passion. This isn't just about what you like. It's about what you genuinely understand and care about. When you're passionate about your niche, you're not just a seller, you're an advocate. You understand your customers' pain points because you've likely experienced them yourself. This authenticity shines through in your marketing, your product choices, and your customer service. It's also the fuel that will keep you going when you're up late packing orders or figuring out a marketing campaign. So, take a moment and list your hobbies, your skills, your obsessions. What communities are you a part of? The answer to "what should I sell" is often hidden in the answer to "what do I love?" Next up, profitability. A passion project is wonderful, but a business needs to make money. Profitability isn't just about revenue, it's about your profit margins. You need to sell your products for significantly more than they cost you to source, ship, and market. A great rule of thumb for beginners is the 3x markup. If a product costs you $15 to acquire, can you realistically sell it for $45? This buffer gives you room to run ads, cover shipping costs, and actually pay yourself. Avoid niches with razor-thin margins, as they require massive sales volume to be worthwhile, which is incredibly difficult when you're just starting out. Focus on products where each sale feels like a meaningful win. Finally, and just as crucial, is demand. You can be passionate about a profitable product, but if no one is looking for it, you have a hobby, not a business. You need to find a starving crowd, a group of people actively searching for a solution. The key question is, are people already spending money in this niche? Your job isn't to create demand from scratch, it's to channel existing demand towards your unique brand. We need to validate that people are typing keywords related to your idea into search engines, looking for a solution to their problem. A passionate audience with purchasing power is the holy grail. So how do you validate these three pillars? You become a detective. Use free tools like Google Trends to analyze interest over time. Look for stable, upward trending keywords, not just temporary viral spikes. But don't stop there. Dive deep into online communities. Join Facebook groups and browse subreddits related to your potential niche. What are people complaining about? What questions do they ask over and over? These conversations are a goldmine for product ideas and pain points. Finally, scope out the competition on Amazon, Etsy, and other Shopify stores. Don't be discouraged by competitors. They prove the market exists. Your goal is to find a gap you can fill with a better brand, a unique feature, or a superior customer experience. As you research, you'll be tempted to go broad. Resist that urge. The real magic happens when you niche down. Instead of outdoor gear, think ultralight backpacking gear for solo hikers. Instead of skincare, think organic skincare for sensitive, acne-prone skin. Being specific makes you memorable. It lowers your competition, makes your marketing laser-focused and more affordable, and allows you to build a loyal tribe. It's far better to be a big fish in a small pond than an invisible speck in the ocean. You can always expand your product line later once you've become the trusted authority in your small, dedicated niche. Next, let's build your Shopify store. The best part? You don't need any coding skills. Shopify's drag and drop builder makes it simple. Pick a clean, mobile responsive theme. Minimal designs convert better. Add your logo, product descriptions, and brand colors. Remember, design isn't just about looks, it's about trust and clarity. Now it's time to connect with trusted dropshipping suppliers. Platforms like AliExpress, Spocket, Zendrop, and DSers integrate directly with Shopify, automating product imports and order fulfillment. Always test your supplier before scaling. Check reviews, shipping times, and product samples. A reliable supplier protects your brand reputation and ensures happy customers. Shipping, payments, and fulfillment can make or break your customer experience. Shopify integrates with global shipping partners like DHL, UPS, and USPS, ensuring faster delivery and accurate tracking. For payments, activate Shopify Payments. It supports 100+ gateways globally. Offer multiple options like PayPal, Apple Pay, and credit cards to increase conversions. Your store is live. Now it's time to drive traffic. Shopify offers built-in SEO tools, marketing automations, and social media integrations to help you attract buyers fast. Run ads smartly. Test small budgets on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. Then scale what works. Pair your campaigns with email automations, upsells, and retargeting. Once the sales start coming in, use Shopify Analytics to understand what's working. Track your conversion rates, traffic sources, and top-performing products. Reinvest profits into ads, influencer marketing, or product bundles. As your brand grows, explore Shopify's higher plans or even a custom domain to solidify your identity. And there you have it. From finding your niche to launching your first ads, you now have the complete roadmap for a successful Shopify dropshipping store. But a roadmap is useless if the car stays in the garage. Real success isn't found in watching more tutorials. It's born from taking decisive action. It's about taking that first step and committing to the process. Analysis paralysis is the enemy of progress, while momentum is your greatest ally. You're not alone. A global community of entrepreneurs is building their dreams on Shopify, turning passions into paychecks. Many started exactly where you are now, with an idea and the courage to act. The only thing separating you from your first sale is the decision to begin. What can you do today? Brainstorm product ideas. Sign up for the Shopify free trial. Just start. That initial momentum will carry you forward. But let's be realistic. This path requires significant time and energy. Perhaps you have a demanding job, or you'd rather focus on your brand's vision instead of the technical details. This isn't a roadblock, it's a strategic choice. Just as you'd hire an expert for taxes, you can leverage a professional to accelerate your growth and avoid costly mistakes. If you want to fast-track your success, you can delegate the process to seasoned Shopify freelance dropshipping experts who can help you. First, set up your store correctly. This is more than a pretty theme. It's building a solid foundation, professional branding, a seamless mobile experience, and configuring back-end essentials like payments, shipping, and legal pages. They'll also install and set up must-have apps for reviews, email marketing, and upselling, turning your store into a conversion machine from day one. Next, drive targeted traffic. A store with no visitors makes no sales. An expert develops a marketing strategy using channels like Facebook, Google, and TikTok. They perform deep competitor analysis and keyword research to find customers actively looking for your products. They create compelling ads that grab attention and implement advanced tracking to ensure your marketing budget delivers a positive return on investment. And finally, boost your sales and profitability through conversion rate optimization. They will A/B test everything from page layouts to button colors to maximize sales. They'll build automated email sequences to recover abandoned carts and encourage repeat purchases. Plus, with smart upsell strategies, they'll increase your average order value, making every customer more profitable. Finding a trustworthy expert is overwhelming, so I've done the heavy lifting. I've vetted specialists based on strict criteria, a proven track record, an extensive portfolio, and glowing client testimonials. The result is a curated list of the top 5 Shopify dropshipping experts for 2025. This list saves you hours of research and reduces risk, connecting you with strategic partners dedicated to your growth. Your dream of owning a successful online store is within reach. Whether you build it yourself or fast-track your success with a professional, the journey starts now. Click the link in the description below to see my hand-picked list of top Shopify experts and take that definitive step toward building your e-commerce empire today. Start your Shopify free trial today and turn your e-commerce dream into reality. Your success story starts now.